الذكاء الاصطناعي في تخصصات مختلفة. PopAi. PopAi it's a specified or special website Unleash Creativity Hub for tomorrow's trends. Follow me in this video to know how to use this AI. PopAi. You can use PopAi in different specialties, creating presentations. Create new presentations. Just write sentences or keywords and obtain PowerPoint presentations or different type of presentation. Business plans, data analysis report, lesson material slides, assignment report, institute introduction. All these presentations. Create speaker notes, flow charts, mind maps, images. You can search by keywords and write and create, not search, create creatively images in different aspects, academic or different situations of life. Image translator collects the words in the image and bring it. Snapshot, homework, picture talk for language test. Data analyze, data visualization, code reconstruction. All this. Academic, human written, unique essay writing, smart research, turn equations into latex, research proposal, best email corrector for professionals, keyword ideas by search intent, career, create cover letter for job title, tailor your resume CV to match a job. So you will write the description of the job and create your CV specialized for this job according to your skills and your academic qualifications. Career translation, coaching, career transition اللي هو الناس اللي بتعمل shift career. So this will help you how to shift your careers according to your abilities and your experiences and your qualifications and your skills. Write LinkedIn posts, job interview to prepare for questions and situations for the job, special job. Blog article, if you like to create search engine optimization for a blogger or for a website or for a web page. Content outlines, optimizing long article. If there is long article, you can summarize it and repost it or resend it to your manager or to the journal or to the web developer or web content. Generate short story, web search, travel blog. All this. Rewrite article URL with keyword to يعني if there is the URL for some article and you would rewrite it according to changing some keywords or some ideas, some experiences, some different experiences. Rewrite your articles. Search engine optimization, SEO, different situations for SEO, for YouTube, for description, for text, for web pages, for websites, for e-commerce, for marketing field, marketing data analysis and insights, TikTok marketing tools, market report research. Write a comprehensive market report or market research. Brainstorm generator, summarizing and translate all these fields. Coding, if you write a code or a program for solving some problem, or create some program or application using different key programming languages, C, Python, Java. Create readme generator for marketing your application or your program. All this. Transform your data into SQL table. Send any data and receive the SQL queries, allowing you to create queries and fetch data and collect the needed data or information from tables. Cloud expert, your own cloud expert. Lambda functions, API gateway. You can here you need specifically or specified for coding programmers. Create HTML, CSS, JavaScript. All these are for different specializations, different ways, different careers. As you see, academic career, blog, flowchart, presentation, and coding and summarizing. All these are allowed in PopAi. PopAi, and here you can create your projects, your templates, recommended. All will be saved here, and you can generate all this in files or upload files and summarize or rewrite these files again, or from links, URLs, as we show you in this video. Subscribe to the channel to reach every important and useful videos. Share this video with others so they can get useful from it. Like it and ask any questions, and I will answer you as soon as possible.